everyone. Welcome back to Talk Zone English. I'm Ethan. Great to see you again.
And I'm Mia. Today we're diving into one of the most useful topics, how to sound natural and polite when you're at a restaurant in English.
Yep, we'll show you real-life phrases that make you sound polite, confident, and friendly when you eat out.
Because let's be honest, saying I want pizza works, but it sounds kinda bossy.
We'll fix that in the next few minutes with real phrases, examples, and fun practice.
Ready to sound like a native? Let's go. So imagine you sit down and the waiter says, "What would you like to order?" What do most learners say?
Usually something like, "I want a burger."
Yeah, it's clear, but it's a little too direct. Instead say, "I'd like a burger, please."
Perfect. Same meaning, but way more polite and natural.
Let's do one more. I'd like the chicken, not the beef.
Great! And don't forget the magic word. Please.
Please.
Next up, drinks. Many people say, "Can I get some water?"
That's totally fine in casual English, but if you want to sound more polite, try, "Could I have some water, please?"
Or if you're in the USA, "May I have some water, please?"
Can, could, may. All correct. But could is your sweet spot, polite and natural.
Let's practice together. Say it with us. "Could I have some water, please?"
Okay, the waiter comes and says, "Are you ready to
Order.
But you're not ready. What do you say?
Don't panic. Just say, "Can I have a minute, please?"
Nice and polite.
Or if you need help choosing,
What do you recommend?
you can also ask, "What's your most popular dish?"
Waiters love that question. It shows you're friendly and open.
And sometimes they'll say, "Everything's good.
Yeah, then you're on your own. Haha.
Food's here." You take your first bite, and it's amazing. What do you say?
Don't just say, "It's good." That's boring. Try these instead. "This is delicious." "Wow, this tastes amazing." "This might be the best pasta I've ever had."
So expressive. It shows emotion and sounds natural.
Now, what if you don't like it?
Oof, that's tricky. Be polite. Like this. "It's not quite what I expected, but thank you. I think I'd prefer something else if that's okay."
Perfect balance. Honest but kind. All right, meal's over. You're full. Time to pay.
Please, don't yell "Bill" across the restaurant. Haha,
Yeah, just say, "Could we get the bill, please?"
Bill is British English. Check is American English.
And if you're paying by card, say, "Do you take credit cards?"
Easy, polite, and confident. No awkward moments.
Sometimes the waiter asks, "How's everything?"
Just say, "Everything's great. Thank you."
Or if you need something, "Could we get some extra napkins, please?" "Excuse me, I think we're missing a fork."
Always polite. Always positive. All right, time to test what you learned. We'll say the situation, you say the phrase. Ready?
You want to order food? Go. Pause for viewers. "I'd like a burger, please."
You need more time? Pause. "Can I have a minute, please?"
You're ready to pay? Pause. "Could we get the bill, please?"
Yes. Your restaurant ready.
If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Talk Zone English.
And comment below. What's your go-to restaurant phrase in English?
Or even better, what's your favorite meal? Pizza, sushi?
Thanks for watching. And next time you go to a restaurant,
Use these phrases and sound like a pro.
see you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.